Just hold on a minute. I want to tell you about this new chart that I came up with. It's the MotoCheez Report card for motorcycles, otherwise known as
the TPS Report.
Would you be a good sport and indulge us and just tell us a little more?
Oh yeah, I get at least a dozen people a day asking me, hey, which one of these bikes are your favorite? If you were going to buy one of these Chinese bikes, which one would you buy? I come up with a list, or a report, whatever you want to call it, of all of these bikes that I put together in the last 3 years.
Did you see the memo about this?
And I'm going to use this chart on all my future bikes. Basically, it's broke down into 28 sections, which that can grow or shrink. Each section can rank from 1 to 3 to 1 to 10, depending on how important it is. As you can see, it's a work in progress. I had to do a few adjustments here and there, some editing, but your input is welcome. There will be a link for this report in the description of this video and on the MotoCheez Facebook group.
Did you get that memo?
That's right.
Let me tell you something about TPS reports.
Yeah.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.
The pleasure's all on this side of the table, trust me.